following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 3 and 7A. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 358 and 359. Interstate 76 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 2. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 2. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 27 and 62. Interstate 676 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 3. Atlantic City Expressway mile marker 42 and near mile marker 44. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective acts and guidance should be followed. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: